In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Wix website after it's been published. Whether you've realized you want to tweak your text, update an image, or completely redesign a page, ensuring your site reflects your vision is crucial. Let's dive in and find out how you can make these adjustments with ease right from your Wix dashboard. First, you'll want to head over to wix.com. Once there, log in with your credentials. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. From here, you'll see a list of all your sites. Go ahead and select the one you want to edit. This step is crucial because it ensures you're working on the right project and prevents any unwanted changes to other sites. Once your site is selected, it's time to open the Wix editor or Wix Studio. On your dashboard, click on Edit Site. This opens up a whole suite of options where you can unleash your creativity. Within the editor, you're empowered to modify almost any aspect of your site. Whether you're adjusting text, swapping out images or videos, or changing the structure of menus and pages, the editor offers flexibility. You can even refine layouts and sections, or tweak forms and buttons to enhance user interaction. As you're making changes, remember to save your progress. Click on the Save button. This saves your edits without publishing them, so rest assured your changes are safe in draft mode. They won't be visible to your visitors until you're ready. It's a handy feature that allows you to test and refine your changes without pressure. Next, you'll want to preview your changes. The preview option is a great way to see how your site looks and functions before making it live. This is where you should check both the desktop and mobile views to ensure that your site is responsive and looks fantastic on all devices. It's a crucial step to catch any issues and make final adjustments. Once you're satisfied and confident with your edits, it's time to take the final step. Publishing your updates. Click on Publish, and all your changes will go live immediately. Your site's visitors will be greeted with the updated version, reflecting all the hard work you've put into making it perfect. Even after publishing, you have the freedom to make ongoing edits whenever inspiration strikes. You can repeat this process as often as necessary to keep your content fresh and your design leading edge. Wix supports collaborators too, allowing multiple people to work on the site and have changes saved in real time, fostering a seamless editing environment. And there you have it. Editing your Wix website after publishing is a straightforward process that grants you endless possibilities for creativity and improvement. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!